ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಹತ್ರ ಇವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡಿ ಬೋರ್ ಹೊಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಿ? ನೀರಿಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬೋರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ನಾವು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಹುಡುಕದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂತರ್ಜಲಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸದೆ ನೀರು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ? ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಗುರುಜಿಯ ನಾಲೆಜನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಅದರ ಭೂವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಲಿಂಗರಾಜ್ ಅವರ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಅಂತರ್ಜಲ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
The river rejuvenation action plan has been prepared using the satellite remote sensing technology, where the satellite images are used to prepare different thematic maps like topography, the soils, the land use, and the movement of water through the natural streams and the geomorphological features which promote the percolation of water, that groundwater recharge. So here first we have to reduce the erosion and also slower down the movement of water on the surface. So we have identified what are called as boulder checks. It checks the speed of the water. Next to it we have to construct what is called as recharge well. This recharge well will allow that water to percolate down. In some places where the deep-seated aquifers are dried up, there we locate what is called as recharge bore wells, where the water goes deeper down and make the water saturated. And this recharged water through a base flow will enter the tank downstream. In that tank, we are constructing what is called as water pool. In the water pool, the water that recharged groundwater will upwell and make it available through the year.
Since 2013, the Art of Living River Rejuvenation team is doing exactly this, filling the empty underground aquifers. Once the survey is completed and action plan is prepared, approvals are sought from the panchayats. Our strong and motivated team of volunteers and coordinators are key to the success of the project on the ground. The coordinators mobilize the job card holders.
प्रकल्प शुरू होने के पहले 6 महीने आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के टीचर और हमारे युवाचार्य 10 गांव में जाके जन जागृति का काम हमने किया. श्रमदान के माध्यम से पानलोट के कार्य को शुरू किया. हर रोज 100, 150, 50, 400, 500 इस 10 गांव के पूरे लोग यहाँ आते थे.
The technique of recharging water is adapted to suit the geological conditions of the region. For example, deep continuous contour trenches, CCT, gabion structures across rivers, and desilting are practiced in Maharashtra as opposed to putting down recharge structures in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Art of Living also acts as a nodal agency to various government departments and multiple stakeholders like RDPR, Forest Department, Agriculture Department, NABARD, and banks to create a common platform and help getting some of their welfare schemes to reach farmers. During this journey of reviving rivers, we received consistent support from dedicated individuals, CSR, other NGOs, and innumerable volunteers, who are all now an inseparable part of these projects.